What's going on, guys? This is your boy Lucas29 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download Windows 11 on an unsupported machine. So, last time I showed you how to download Windows 11 normally, and I did that on my HP laptop. Tired. Had a great lunch anyway. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Now, this is going to save people lots and lots of money. It's going to... And you don't need to buy a whole new components just because you need to download one little tiny operating system. Because Microsoft has this brand new system requirement called TPM 2.0. Now, Windows 11 has been out for 1 year, and it's a great operating system. But people can't install it and have to be stuck on different operating systems because Windows 11 does not want to install on their machines. Because Microsoft likes TPM for some reason. But today, I'm going to show you how to bypass those system requirements, and I'm going to show you how to download and install it. First, you need the ISO file. I'm not going to do that. I'm only going to show you guys how to do the main thing. But you need the ISO file, then when you have it on the flash drive, then boot from the USB flash drive. You know what? It's better if I just show you guys here. So, media creation tool. Just wait. Okay. So, media creation tool open. Getting a few things ready. So let's wait till it gets a few things ready. Now, once you get to the terms and conditions, all you need to do is click accept. We already know what to do with terms and conditions. Nobody reads those. Alright. Select language and edition. I'm just going to keep it as it's set because there's no different options. Here is the media that you need to use if you USB flash drive and ISO file. We're doing the USB flash drive option here. So you're gonna click on USB flash drive. Now I don't have a drive in, but if I did, you would see this. You would see your drive. You would click on it and you would click next. If you don't have a drive plugged in, plug in a drive, click the refresh drive list, and then all you need to do, click your drive, click next, and it will start to download. Once your flash drive is ready, then all you need to do is just boot up from the, your boot manager. You need to boot the USB. Basically, what you need to is shut down your computer, turn it back on, but as soon as you click the power on button, you need to spam what button you get to boot manager or your BIOS. After you do that, then you can boot from your USB, and then that's when we get to downloading and installing. That's when we get to installing Windows 11. So, let's get to the VMware player here. Setting key. And we're here. So, now that we're here, we're going to wait for it to load us into the setup, and I'm going to show you guys what to do. So, this specific virtual machine only has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 2 CPU cores, 0 TPM, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So once you're here, Windows setup, blah, blah, I'm going to show you guys that it cannot run Windows 11, and then I'll show you guys what to do. So the setup is starting now. So it's pretty simple how to do this. First, I want to mention, do not click the install now button if you, so do not click the install now button. Do the steps that I'm showing you what to do on the install button. So look. When you click the install now button, it's going to bring you to this if you already had an operating system recently and you don't need to activate Windows. Like if you already had an activated copy of Windows and you want to upgrade to Windows 11, and then when you click install now and you see this, well, then you need to go back. You need to click the X button. So, like, you need to do this. Boom, boom. So, when you're back at this screen, you're going to hit Shift F10. It's going to bring you to the command prompt. Click on regedit. You're going to type in regedit. Exactly like this. Hit enter. You'll be here. You want to click on HKey local machine. Click on system. To put in the arrows. Click the arrows. Click the arrows on setup. Click setup. Left click setup. Now right click setup. And hover over new. Click the key button. Perfect. Now you want to name this key lab config. Perfect. You want to make sure that it's in this exact font right here. You guys want to make sure it's in this exact typing right here. LNC capital. Now hover over a blank space. Right click it. New D word 32-bit value. Type in bypass TPM check. Do that again. This time, bypass RAM check. This time, bypass secure boot check. Make sure you guys are typing this in the exact handwriting that I am doing. Every single first letter of the word needs to be capitalized. It does matter also. Now the final one is bypass CPU check. Enter. All you need to do now is right click all of these, modify them to 1, hit enter. Modify 1. Modify 1. That will get them working. Modify 1. Then what you need to do to save them is click on all the arrows again. Exit out. Now you may click in the Install Now button. What does this do exactly? This changes the registry editor, and it makes the system think that you have all of these components when you do not. And that will trick it, and then it will let you download and install the operating system. Now, click your operating system. And as you can see, we're in the terms and conditions. That means that this has worked, and that means that we are ready to install Windows 11. Then accept the terms and conditions, yada yada yada. Click custom, format your drive, yada yada yada. And then, once you're here, congratulations. You have installed Windows 11, or installing Windows 11. All you need to do now, wait for it, then set up your laptop or PC, and congratulations, you now have Windows 11 on an unsupported device. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!